You like my t-shirt, guys? Gee, thanks. Don't we wish we could ask Alexa to really reset 2020? Girl, 2020 has been on some ish, and I tell you, we need a complete redo and a complete reset. So if you want to get this t-shirt, of course, go ahead and check out Sean'sBoutique.com. We have it in white also, and whilst you're there, make sure that you pick up these lovely hoop earrings. Of course, they come in a pack of 3, so don't forget to check us out. I'm going to leave the name on the screen and the link is in the description box down below. Hey lovely people of the world, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. I am your girl Shauna, and welcome to my new series called Shawn Says. So this is a new series I'm introducing on my channel because we're switching gears around here, guys. We are switching things up, and I just wanted to bring some more fun and some more life into my channel. So I have come up with this new series called Shawn Says, and in this series I'll be talking about celebrities' outfits and makeup. I'll be talking about current affairs, honey. I'll be talking about pressing topics that are happening in today's society that we need to address. And of course, we are going to do everything respectfully, unbiased, and we're going to make sure that we keep it PG and we don't, you know, offend anyone. We're going to keep it as respectful and as clean as we possibly can. But we're going to sort of throw some fun in here and there, sprinkle some fun, because I don't want you guys to get bored. So of course we're going to do it in a manner which you will enjoy, and you will find that we can have a nice discussion down in the description box below. So if you like this sort of thing, you guys, you're at the right place. So go ahead and let me know, because I am super excited, guys. I've been really wanting to do something like this for the longest while, and I've been super scared, and my boyfriend said to me, why don't you just go ahead and do it? Just do it, because you love fashion and you love makeup. So why not just create something like this where you're able to talk about other people's makeup and fashion, and you can also incorporate things that are happening into today's society. So I decided that I'm going to take this opportunity to do it. I'm going to take the plunge. I'm going to go ahead and do something like this on my channel. I'm super excited, but I'm nervous at the same time, because you just never know, you know. You just never know. So I'm hoping that something like this is what you guys will enjoy. Of course, the first topic I'm going to talk about today is Miss Nicki Minaj and her outfit and her makeup during her maternity shoot, because of course the internet went into a frenzy, darling, when she announced her pregnancy, and everybody was like, Nicki, what up, Barbs, Queen Barbs? Yes, she's pregnant. The world knows by now she's pregnant. And congrats to Nicki and her husband on your first baby. You looked beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into her makeup and her outfit. And this is the first one of this series, you guys. I'm super excited. I love makeup. I love fashion. And this is a great way for me to express my views, you know. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to talk about Miss Nicki's makeup and Miss Nicki's outfit. So yeah, let's jump into this, guys. I am so ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Now I'm going to pull up Nicki's first picture. Of course, she looked absolutely beautiful. Her first picture was of her sitting on a sort of pink sofa, and she was wearing like a 2-piece bikini, and she had a yellow hair. Not too fond of the colored hair, but her makeup, which I am wearing today, by the way, I have recreated her look. It's coming up in a tutorial. Let me know what your thoughts are. So her makeup look got me. When I saw it, I'm like, this is so playful, so colorful, and so fresh. This is definitely Miss Minaj. I loved how radiant she looked, and she was glowing, and she just looked so happy, and you can see that the happiness was coming from within. Of course, she's pregnant, she's building a family, and it's something that she always wanted to do. So I'm really happy for her. But her outfit, as I said, she was wearing a 2-piece. I wasn't too keen on the outfit. I wasn't too keen on the shoes, but this is Nicki Minaj, and this is how she comes about. This is how she expresses herself through colors and making statements. So if you don't know who Nicki Minaj is, honey, you've been sleeping under a rock. but I loved her makeup. The first actually the first shot that she did, the first picture she showed, I loved her makeup, and I just wanted to recreate it because I thought it was just so playful, and it was just such a nice way to introduce her baby bump to the world, looking so playful and happy and colorful all at the same time. So her first look, I wasn't keen on the outfit, don't like the outfit, don't like the shoes, but it's Nicki Minaj, that's what she does. But as for her makeup, I really loved how playful and colorful it was. So we're gonna move on to outfit number 2. Okay guys, so let's move on to her outfit number 2 change. Oh my goodness, she looked so ethereal, so beautiful. She's glowing from the inside out. I absolutely loved that sort of Mother Mary outfit. She just looked so innocent and beautiful. I loved this outfit so much, way more than outfit number 1. I did not like outfit number 1, but I loved her makeup nonetheless. Outfit number 2 took the cake for me. I just loved how she presented herself. She looked very motherly already, like she's already had her baby. Okay guys, so she had 3 outfit changes. I didn't like 1 and 2, but the third one was absolutely beautiful. So my apologies. She had 3 outfit changes, but my favorite was number 3. Outfit number 2, hands down, was absolutely amazing. She looked like a princess. She looked like a queen. She looked beautiful, and I loved how she was so subtle with it. She just came and she stood there like she's everything in a bag of chips. So I really loved her outfit change for her second maternity shoot. I really loved the outfit. The outfit number 1, no, she could keep that in the camera roll for me. But outfit number 2 really took the cake, and I just loved how breathtaking and refreshing she looked in her second outfit. I couldn't really see her face very much, but I think her face, her makeup as well, was very subtle and very clean and very nice and classy. You know, makeup, you know, Nicki is known for her bold look. She loves to play around with colors, and she loves to play around with bold colors, and you know her looks are always unique and she stands out a lot. But in this maternity shoot, I thought she looked really beautiful, and I absolutely loved how she represented herself, you know, showing the world how beautiful her little baby bump is. And as I said, congrats to Nicki on her first baby. Congrats to Nicki and her husband on their first baby together. So basically guys, that is all I have for today, breaking down Miss Nicki's look. I'm not too keen on the first one in the 2-piece outfit with those stripper shoes, honey. No, I didn't like that look. But that's her, that's what she liked, and that's what she wore. And the way she came out and showed the world that she's pregnant was so subtle yet beautiful. And I really loved how she made the announcement. It wasn't anything crazy like some of these celebrities do, which, you know, sometimes they just do the most. They do too much. But Nicki, in this case, she just came out very subtle and showed her baby bump. So I really loved her maternity shoot, and I hope that everything will go well for her during her pregnancy and, you know, the steps into motherhood. So basically guys, that's all I have for today. Let me know what your thoughts are on this new series on my channel called Sean Says. Please chime in down below. Let me know your thoughts. Of course, I would love to hear from you. I would love to know if you like this sort of thing on my channel, where I talk about, you know, as I said, fashion and makeup that celebrities wear. And of course, I'll be touching on current affairs, you know, trending topics, things that are pressing, things that actually matters. But as I said, I'll be doing it in a very unbiased, respectful manner. So we don't want any quarrels in the comment section. We want to keep it, you know, clean and PG and respectful. So that will do for today, you guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment, of course, and subscribe. Do not leave before you subscribe, okay? I'm giving you 1 second to do that right now. Go ahead. It's right there on the left. Yeah. Subscribe. Yeah. You've done it? Great. Have you thumbs up? Go ahead. I'm waiting. You've done it? Great. Have you turned the notifications on? I bet you forgot that. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Great. So you've done all of that. Great. Thank you so much. And until next time, you guys. I love ya.